Whoops, wrong button. You know what? We'll just hop into it, guys. I was getting just gonna put on my shoes and stuff, but you know what? That is all right. Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Is It a Buy, where we talk about stocks and try to determine if they are worth a buy or maybe a pass. My name is Corey. I just like to preface the video by saying I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just a guy who likes to talk about stocks, so please take what I say with a grain of salt. All right, guys, let's get into the video. Good morning. Good morning. Welcome to the live stream. Holy smokes, guys! Matt Kors is like banned. I guess I'm not seeing his account on here. Trace Trades just tweeted it. It's just insane. I can't believe it. This is so crazy. Let's add to the chat really quick. We'll look at AMC, Gamestop, see what's going on, and then we will we'll get into it, guys. So let's see. Johnson, good morning. Good morning. What's up, Cash C? Mo, anyone know why Matt? No, I don't know why Matt Kors was banned. They said Trey in his post, he said there was no reason, nothing crazy. Bobby says, who wasted their time watching Trey with Belfort? I did watch it. And you know what? Here's the deal. It's one man's opinion. One man's opinion. And I'm not worried about it. I'm not worried about it. I'm not worried about it one bit. Matt has been silent. Yeah, I went onto his Twitter. I really don't check Matt Kors' Twitter very often. It doesn't seem like he posts too much, so I think I'm following him, but he really doesn't post too often. But yes, I was looking for a post, anything. I don't know. I think it's for him telling the truth, how the squeeze is the real deal. Hello from England. Hey, yo Akimbo, what's up? This is crazy news. I honestly think it was because trolls would enter his chat and he would say off of their heads. Ooh, just a guess. Yeah, I think it's a pretty good guess. You know, some of this stuff, guys, we just have to be super careful. You know, luckily I'm always pretty like politically, or I try to be politically correct. So like, and hopefully that helps a little bit. But you know, stuff like that. Excuse me. Who knows? It's really hard to say. I know it's just speculation, but who knows? But yeah. So as far as the Jordan Belfort video, guys, yeah. Look, Olive says that the Jordan Belfort video just made my diamonds even more diamond hands. What's up, Lee? So yeah, guys, I'm not worried about it. I'm perfectly okay with his opinions, his what he thinks. He can think whatever he would like. And no problem whatsoever. So we'll let that happen. I do feel very, very, very bad for Matt Kors. I think he just went like full time or something, and now, you know, look, just so messed up, A lot of people really look to him, and I think it's unfortunate that he is. Who knows? Hopefully he can appeal and come back, but we'll see. Anthony says, Corey, you're next. JK, stay safe. Yeah, I mean, gosh, I'm scared. You know, it's definitely a little uneasing. You know, all of us is too worked up. But anyways, yeah, guys, let's take a look at what's going on AMC, and I'll let you guys chat a little bit. Let me take a sip of water. We'll dive into AMC, GameStop, see who's doing good today, and we got 5 minutes till the bell. We're unsure what happened to Matt. I don't think he said it, and Trey said that there was no reason given. So AMC, not too bad, up 1.83 so far percent in the pre-market. So Matt Kors has been banned essentially. Nobody knows why or anything so far. Trey just tweeted it like a few minutes ago. So anyways, 1.83 up in the pre-market for AMC. It was down 3.43. So it's really not too bad, guys. This kind of little fluctuations, I'm not worried about in the least bit. Okay, I'm not worried about in the least bit. GameStop, let's see what GameStop's doing. GameStop is up about 4.28% on the day. Excuse me. And I like it. They kind of made up for what happened yesterday. So right now they're around 185. And this is great. I'll take this. I'll take this. You know, I was hoping they would stay above their kind of like 188 level of support, but it doesn't look like we had that. And actually, it looks like this level of, it's been a level of resistance, not a level of support for a few days now. Back here, it was a level of support, turned into a level of resistance. So it looks like that's going to be really the number to get above. And hopefully once we can hold that above, we will be able to do that. Oh gosh, we have some tinfoil hat theory going on in the chat. Rocky says, Aston Martin car is AMC. Jordan Belfort wasn't talking about buying a car. He never really said anything bad on AMC, just GME. That is some crazy theory, but we'll see. Oh yeah, so I saw something for Ryan Cohen. Mm-hmm. And you know, guys, just a grain of salt. You know what I mean? Like, we've seen these articles, and we have to make sure they're right. But I mean, I guess it's good news, so could be pretty great. But as chairman, not chief executive officer, but okay, it says chairman. So we got 3 news articles here. Wow, updated 17 minutes ago. That's crazy. GameStop announced Chewy's co-founder, Ryan Cohen, will become its chairman. The change is expected to take place following the company's annual shareholder meeting, which is scheduled for June 9th. Cohen, who is also the manager of activist investor RC Ventures, invested in GameStop last year to push the video game retailer to focus on online sales and shutter unprofitable stores in malls. Interesting. Let's see if this one says the same stuff. Oh, this is all they have. This is, man, this is a small article. Rally 3.3% in the pre-market Thursday. Yep. So Ryan Cohen is chairman of the board. Okay, so it seems like pretty consistent. We'll see. Dean says, didn't Jordan Belfort say Aston Martin truck? He may have actually said Aston Martin truck, because I remember it was he said the new Aston Martin truck. So it is what that is. We will see. Good morning, Mike. Welcome. Oh, did Matt finally tweet? Let's look up tweet Matt Kors. Tweets. What the heck? I just saw it right here. I don't know why it wasn't showing up on his main feed. Unfortunately, the rumors are true. YouTube has terminated my account. This is obviously extremely disheartening, and the feeling is amplified because I'm unaware of my violation. If you have seen any of my content, you know it's all above board. I will be working to get answers. And people are obviously extremely upset about this. And I don't blame them. I don't blame them. Gosh, I couldn't even imagine, guys. Imagine working so hard. This guy's on every single day, working the freaking hardest, and yikes. That's unfortunate, man. That really sucks. And we are in the bell. Here we go. AMC, $9.98. All right, we do have, let's look at the 1-day candles, see what's going on with this price action. And so let's see, it was green here for a second. It looks like it turned red. So it looks like it's having a little battle. We have 3 seconds until this closes, and let's see how it goes. And it went green. It always looks nicer whenever it's a green candle like that rather than a red one. So we'll take it, even though it dropped all this way. But that is perfectly fine. I have no problem with it. Getting some notifications. Looks like SOS is down just a tad on the day, but that is okay. I'm gonna go ahead and remove this just to get a little more organized. I'll probably, wow, this one's down 17%. Geez. Okay, GameStop though. GameStop at 183.48 about currently, and so it looks like it had a small little dip. Not a big deal, but We'll see. We'll see what happens. DBG says, not that I watch this channel, but did he really get banned? Yeah, he just confirmed on his Twitter, we just saw it here, that he did get banned. He was terminated his account. And it's weird that he was, and I don't know if there's a verbiage thing here. So terminated your account is, I don't know if it's different than like a ban, like a perma ban, or I don't know if they have temporary bans or how it works. So I don't know anything about that. But YouTube has been notorious, guys, in the past few years, just because of the new algorithm to stop, I think, like, misinformation. I think it was like, I don't want to say the wrong thing, but I think it was something like QAnon or something, or it might have been the whole child stuff that they had, like, specific, is this content specifically for children? Like, is it appropriate, stuff like that. There were some weird things going on, and so they changed their algorithms a little bit. And from my understanding, a lot of people, I think from the like LGBTQ community, they were getting banned as well. They were accidentally getting banned just because this algorithm was going awry and just randomly banning people. So I don't know if it's similar to that. Who knows? We could speculate a bunch of things. Hopefully very, very soon they'll get back to him. It's a pretty big deal. Hopefully his content is still there. I mean, I don't even know what's going to happen. Rania stepping in, taking a look, like, what is going on here? Rania, if you haven't heard yet, Matt Kors has been banned. Matt Kors, who, if anyone doesn't know who he is, he had like over, what did he have at the time? Like over 150 thousand subscribers, and he just got banned. His YouTube account terminated. So very, very, very scary stuff. Holy smokes. Hopefully he can recover his account. Hopefully it doesn't mess with anything. And if he really did violate something, which I really can't speculate as to if he did or didn't, but if he did, hopefully it's just a small 1 or 2 day ban and he's back on it. But holy crap, scary stuff. No, Josh says that he get banned or paid off. No, I don't think he got paid off. I don't think anything like that. But that is that. So AMC trading about neutral on the day, which is okay. We'll see this. And I know these 1 minute candles look pretty scary, but I'm really not too worried about it. So we'll happen to see. So Olive's theory is that he was temporarily suspended, and so the only thing is the verbiage. Gosh, it's like terminated my account. It doesn't sound like suspended temporarily, anything like that. It sounds very official, very finite, or infinite. I don't know, but yes, hopefully he moves to a new platform. Yeah, I mean, what platform though? YouTube is, unfortunately, it's just so easy. It's what everybody uses. Yeah, interesting stuff. Okay, good to know, Johnson. I will not mention anything. Yeah, good speculation, but who knows? So let's take a look and see what's going on. I guess, we can speculate all day, but hopefully, I wish there was a way we could support him, like emailing YouTube or something, but I don't think that would be helpful. If anything, it might hurt him. So I don't know, maybe tweeting them. But wow, nice gap up in the morning. Look at this. I didn't even notice this part. This is the gap up, I guess, maybe when the news was announced. I'm not sure if it was announced last night or what, but it seems like may have happened this morning. Gapped up from 170, what was this, around 178 or something, all the way to 185. So pretty huge gap up for GameStop. Over here, up 1.3% on the day. AMC kind of just trading back and forth. While we wait on this, I do like to look at the tops, see who's really running today, see who's going, who's doing well. Looks like companies I've never heard of. I'm trying to see if there's anything that stands out to me that maybe I'm invested in or something like that. Josh, oh gosh, if you guys know Joshua, I think James, no lie, I just sold all my positions, options, short-term trades, portfolio, and went all in on AMC. Wow. All in. Admirable. I wish I could do that. Unfortunately, I have options and I'm too far down in my I'm too down in those options to just cut losses. So I'm going to hold. I'm going to hold, but that's okay. He could go to Twitch. That's a great point. Even then Twitch, has its own set of issues. So hard. It's so hard to say what's actually going to happen with him. It's so hard to say. Okay, let's see what the top losers of the day are, and then we'll go back to so ACY. I recognize this one. Anything SOS? Oh boy, let's take a look at SOS. See what's going on. Okay, so SOS. Let's look at them on the 5-day. So the nice little run up, and hey, even though they're down a little bit today, I'm still not too worried about it because it's doing fine. Like it's doing fine. Now, if we zoom out a little bit, that's another story. But hopefully it's consolidating. Hopefully it did find a bottom around here, and it'll start consolidating. I do need to get back above $15 so that I can actually break even. But I have plenty of time for that to happen before my option expires. So not too worried about it. A little, there's a little fatigue, but it's okay. I understand. I understand the way it goes. Good afternoon, Jack. Man, good morning for me. Man, GME's gonna have a fantastic day, I bet. Hopefully it does. But these are the top losers. I was like, this. Let's see what it looks like. So pretty even, I would say, on green and red. I mean, I guess I see a little more green than red. We have this little cluster here, and these are just recently viewed. These are just random ones. A lot of green here. So hopefully they do have a green day, especially with the news. But with that kind of news, usually I'm looking for like a bigger, we had a little bit of a gap up here, but I would hope it would have broken like 200 with that kind of news. But it really just depends. What options are you into? I have a bunch of options. Toward the end of 2020, I actually started like exclusively trading options. And whenever I say trading options, I mean like leaps. So I'll buy an option that expires in, like 6 months or something like that, or maybe even a year. And this way I have a long time. They're a little more expensive, but I can really leverage my money that way. Especially whenever I'm so confident in a stock. That's what I did with AMC. I was so confident in it that I bought a late option that expired late so that I would feel very good. I was like, okay, the economy's going to be open by this time, yada, yada, yada. As long as they don't go bankrupt, I'll be fine. And so that's what I really did. And I was able to capitalize on everything that's happening. And so I've had other stocks where I was able to leverage my money. The stock only went up 40% and I was up 130%. So, I mean, the power of options are very, very strong, but they're risky. They're very risky. Yes, Olive, he did say that. I read that out loud, but I didn't really pull it up on Twitter. So yeah, it looks like we're gonna be trading sideways. I guess while I'm trading sideways, let's we can do, let's copy this and I can search Joshua here. See if I can find him. Josh, oh gosh. Joshua. Is it, there we go. Tweets, this guy posts so much. It's hard to, here it is. He says, no lie, I just sold all my positions, options, short-term trades, and my portfolio went all in on AMC. And so this is what I'm saying. I wish I could do. I wish I could like hop on this. But again, I just can't because of my my positions. But I'm okay with it. I think Christine had all his followers putting a put on SOS. It might go down today. I don't think that's a good thing that person should be doing. That sounds like, I don't know if it's illegal, but holy smokes, that was probably not a good thing for him to verbally say, for all of his people to put a put on SOS. Yikes. That sounds like financial advice to me. Mr. Bombay says the Jordan Belfort video should be full confirmation bias. I'm not sure. He didn't really say good things, or I don't think he really said good things on AMC. He said he thinks that, or maybe it was for GameStop, but he said he thinks that it was over. Do I agree with him? No. Do I respect his opinion? Absolutely. So let's see. Yeah. And you know what? I would not be surprised if these stocks just kind of traded sideways. It looks like the excitement for the Ryan Cohen thing either hasn't gotten around yet, or it is not as exciting as people think, or who knows what it could be. Volume a little low, 1.81 million. Then again, I think yesterday it only was four something million. So that's that. Any opinion on Square? Is it like the actual Square? Yeah. Oh yeah, this is Square. Here's the deal. I like Square. Well, I'll put it this way. I think it's a smaller market for what could actually happen. Do you see the troll in the comments promoting the WhatsApp app? Oh my gosh. No, I haven't seen that. Gosh dang it. Which video is it in? Because I need to I need to fix that if somebody's promoting that stuff. Gosh dang it. Lee, can you remove it? I just made you a mod. You're always in my content, dude. You're always helping me out. Could you try to remove it, please? Dang, people, guys. By the way, quick disclosure or disclaimer, I guess. If you guys see anything like, "Hey, I made a lot of money trading Bitcoin using this person," or "Hey, text me and I'll show you how to make a lot of money," please don't contact them. Please, I'm sure I don't have to say that to probably anybody, but I just want to drive it home. Be very, very careful. Okay, so as far as Square goes, I will say a lot of people do like to use Square just for the simplicity of it. From my understanding, they do charge a pretty good like amount as in their fees. They're not the cheapest, but I feel like they're super easy to use, and they have that brand recognition that a lot of people use them. Their annual profit. Let's see how they've been doing. They've been doing great. Look, these are solid financials to look at. Consistent growth. Let's see what the institutional ownership is. It makes perfect sense. We do have a 68.84%. Vanguard, BlackRock, FMR, the three amigos over here, and we do have so these price analysts. These targets are great. So could be pretty good stuff, especially for the future of this company. Let's see what it's looked like over the 1 year. Yeah, exactly what I anticipated. Especially, everybody's been using these things like they're great because you can use this online. I know people use this in store, but you can also use this as a merchant services for your online store, and a lot of people do that. Lee, you should be able to remove it now, I think. Free Mac course. Well, this is interesting from Josh. Let's see. Josh had a new post. Right here. They terminated Houston Wade's. I'm not really sure who Houston Wade is, how GameStop happened. So GameStop seems to be a sensitive subject. Interesting stuff. Twitter yesterday after this video, they've suspended Matt Core's YouTube. They've been trying to spend, well, he has been banned. This guy's been banned before. They can try to silence me, but it'll only make things worse for them. Yeah, I mean, ugh, not good, guys. This is not a good look for anybody. But yeah, Matt, he's just suspended. Matt Corset banned or terminated. So there's a lot of different verbiage, and those words, in my opinion, Lee, are you able to remove it since you're a mod? They are able to do this. Like, who knows what's gonna happen? So I'm just gonna wait. I'm just gonna be chilling. Hopefully, poor Matt Korsk is like fixed up, dude. I feel so bad for this guy. You guys have no idea. He's worked so hard for so long. He's been covering this stuff even before it happened. Like he's been on YouTube for a long time, and he deserves a lot of everything he has. He's grinded for, and he's grinded without any real crazy jumps until recently. So this guy's been going hard. I have to keep in mind. You're so rude. So yes, I just want to bring that up here. Like this guy's he's He's a cool guy. So AMC down 1% on the day. Again, not too worried about it. No big deal. I'll take it. I'll take it all day. Thoughts on BBKCF, guys? These are trading sideways, so let's look at a few other stocks before I have to head out. KCF. I do have this one starred. I guess I did like what they do. They do fintech, intelligence group. Why did I like these guys? Oh, okay, I do like this one because these guys, I think, and Jordan Belfort said this in his video yesterday, and I think I agree with him because while I'm excited about Elon, and so basically what Jordan Belfort said is that Bitcoin and these cryptos, they're gonna need to be regulated just to make them, I think, a little more stable. And while that'll make them more stable, it might bring the price down a little bit, but it'll be good for it in the long run. And I think I agree with that because, like Elon Musk, he kind of legitimized it, right? And he's like, you know what, this is around. This is gonna stay around. This is like here to stay. That's what I was trying to say. Man, that was hard to find. This Bitcoin is here to stay, and I recognize it as a legitimate form of currency to the point where I'm willing to take it. And so, if that's the case, all these blockchain cryptocurrency stuff, so these guys are able to develop blockchain search and analytic solutions. So it develops and provides blockchain and cryptocurrency search, risk scoring, and data analytics tools and investigation services. And so this, what it kind of sounds like is it's just regulation for it. And if they're able to regulate it with like not all cryptocurrency, you know, maybe some people should be able to trace it. Maybe this and that. So there's a bunch of different stuff. And, you know, cryptocurrency is big for its privacy. And, you know, I don't know. There's a lot of back and forth. There's a lot of different ways. I'd love to see a good debate about, he was kidding, Lee. I would love to see a bunch of different opinions. I would love to see a solid debate between two people about what they feel about cryptocurrency and this kind of stuff, of it being regulated, traced, stuff like that, you know, at a forensic level, to the point where, you know, someone is I don't know, human trafficking or buying illegal weapons or weapons of mass destruction using these cryptocurrencies, that, you know, should they be able to track them if they deem it necessary. So there's a bunch of different back and forth, and, you know, privacy is a tricky subject. It's a tricky subject, just because, you know, a lot of people, well, I don't want to get into it, but there's a lot of good that comes from privacy, and some, you know, but it's a balance. So I'll just say that I could talk about privacy for a long time because I have you know, good opinions on it, or different opinions on it, I'll say. So, but as far as this company goes, I do like it. What's the financial institutional ownership? Oh, it doesn't show here yet. I'm curious to see what will happen here. Let's see what the solid annual profit. It's growing. It's a smaller company, as you can see. It's a smaller company, but it seems like people are picking this up. I'm curious to see if institutional ownership, if institutions will pick it up. And this could be, you know, if they do continue to pick it up, that could be pretty awesome. Just to show, like, hey, this is legit. This could be a long hold, but let's say the government says, yes, we're going to regulate Bitcoin and all these other or, you know, these specific cryptos, and we're going to use these guys to do it. Then holy smokes, can you imagine what this would run up to? It would just skyrocket. So analysts don't seem to like it too much, but it's funny because it's still a strong buy. So I don't know what that means. So yeah, I'd take a look at the. And look at this article. I mean, cryptocurrency market just surpassed 2 trillion valuation. Okay, they can't ignore it. People, the government, all these people, they cannot they cannot ignore crypto. It's not going away. So the question is, they're going to either jump on it or not jump on it, and that's that. AMC. So AMC, yeah, down 1.52% on the day. A lot of trading going on. Jeez. GameStop up about 1.5% on the day, so looking just fine. I feel okay about it. I'm not too worried about this. I'm just trading sideways, not at all. Good morning, Marcelo. this? Okay, just taking a look at some. Sorry, guys. For sure, Olive. So yeah, that's what's going on here on the day so far. Let's take a look at GameStop, see what's going on here. It's trading sideways. Do we really only have Andrew Mo money and Bruce after Corey? Oh, because Trey's not on. Yeah, see? Dang. Crazy. Dang, that sucks. I know a lot of people like to watch Matt during the day, and I don't even know what they're going to watch. Yeah, Trey, I don't know. I'm sure he's been having, his medical issues and that he works full time. It's hard, guys. I'm not gonna lie to you. Like it's kind of, as much as I love hanging out with you guys, it's a little taxing. I'm doing at least 12-hour days. I'm up at 7 to try and hop on, like, a record a DD, get dressed and everything, and then I'm on until 8. So I guess it's more than 12 hours days. It's like 13-hour days every single day. And it's not easy. And and I'm sure Trey has crazy hours. He has a physical job where it's wild. But yeah, so we'll have to see. I'll just rewatch Corey's video until 6 p.m. Can you imagine just rewatching it, see what I have to say? Oh my gosh, that is so funny. Oh my gosh. And so, yeah, guys, I think it's going to be a sideways day, honestly. Unless some kind of crazy news catalyst comes out, it's going to be a sideways day. And again, I will take the sideways days all day long. It's going to be fantastic. Anyone that keeps up with on Matt's current condition, we will watch. Corey can sacrifice work. Can't imagine the mental toll. Yeah. I mean, here's the deal. Like, I'm really not gonna. I'm just expressing how the days kind of go, But it's okay. The pantry says I'm tired of holding AMC. Pantry. I understand, my friend. It is. There can be a lot of fatigue with this, and you'll. And I said, who was I speaking with? It was Austin. It was A. Tobit, and he was saying, you'll know. You don't have to watch this every day. All you have to do is wait. Just wait, and you'll be good. Okay? No problem. Or you'll know when it's gonna happening. I'm sorry. I'm thinking about something else. So I'm sorry about that. So we don't know why Matt got banned just yet. Hopefully he'll be able to come back up. Hopefully it was just temporary or something. Hopefully they'll give him a reason. He said they didn't even give him a reason or why. But A. Tobit does not have a YouTube channel. But that's okay. He has plenty of avenues. I'm sure he can get on whatever show he wants. He's fantastic. So that is that, guys. I'm gonna try and release this DD that I have recorded. I do need to hop off like right now if I want to do that. I'll let you guys continue chatting in the chat. I'll probably put the just my see you later stream ending thing, and then I do need to run to work, but I'll go ahead and let you guys chat for a little bit. But thank you guys for hanging out with me. I will be back on tonight. We could chat a little more, and we'll make it happen. All right. All right. You guys have a great day. I'll see you guys later. Peace.